Hi, my name is Jason Warner. I'm a data center product sales specialist for the SLED region of NorCal and Golden State. I'm going to make a series of videos for you guys today, but first I wanted to give you an overview of how to identify data center opportunities within your customers. So we're going to go through the series of questions that you want to look at and be asking your customers to identify what they have. When you're looking at a customer's data center, there's a few key areas. One is security. We know firewalls that are going to live at the edge of their data center and going out to the internet, and then internal to their other users. Inside the data center itself is where all of the technology lives and all the applications live. So what's in there? What are we looking for? What are the questions that we want to be asking our customers? First thing is, what type of switches are they using? Many customers over the last 10 years or so may have been using things like our Catalyst 6500s, but now often we're moving to Cisco Nexus. If they're not using any Cisco technology, they might be using the likes of Brocade, Arista, and others. So the first item to identify is what type of switching technology are they using. After we get below the switching technology, connected to those switches are going to be all of the servers themselves. And there's going to be a variety of server types that they might have. They might have rack servers and a multitude of those, or they may have blade servers where there's a multitude of blades that go into a single chassis. We want to try and identify what kind of rack servers they have, what kind of blade servers they have, and most importantly, how old are they? Typically, customers will refresh their servers every 3 to 5 years. These might be from different vendors such as HP, Dell, IBM, and hopefully now many of them might be refreshing Cisco UCS. Okay, so if we can identify those servers and how many of them they have, that's going to help us start to size up that opportunity for you and determine what type of resources to put on it. Behind the servers themselves, then we're going to have to connect in some type of storage array. These storage arrays can be connected in two different fashions, and that's going to be some type of a storage switch. That storage switch could either be fiber channel, or a lot of customers these days are using iSCSI. So an iSCSI switch would be another Ethernet switch, which could be a Nexus, or it could be some type of a Catalyst switch. Right? And last but not least, we want to identify the storage. The storage might be EMC, NetApp, IBM, Hitachi, and many others. Once we can identify these different pieces and these different building blocks in the data center, we can start to help size up that opportunity. The last thing that we want to try and get answered are the applications themselves. What applications are they running on these servers? And when you ask about their applications, we're looking for things like email. We're looking for things like where they store documents, which might be things like from Microsoft, or might be things like Google Docs, so any of those types of things. And some of these things may actually live in the cloud, but once you give us the answer to what the applications are that they're using, we can usually determine from those applications if they're actually running out in the cloud or not in the cloud. And that's going to help us determine a few other set of products that might be of value to the customer. So I hope seeing this video here helps you start to identify the pieces in the data center and can help get many of those questions answered to help us size up that opportunity for you to find out how real it is and if it's worthwhile going after. So again, the switching infrastructure, which will be our Nexus product line, how many switches, how many ports, and how long have they had those switches in place, what type of servers they have, are they rack servers, are they blade servers. We also want to know operating systems. Are they running Microsoft, Linux? Are they using a hypervisor? Hypervisor is important to know if it's Microsoft Hyper-V or VMware. Most customers are going to have VMware. As well as any external type of storage arrays. What type of switching is that? Is that fiber channel or Ethernet? And who they're using, EMC, NetApp, Nimble, etc. So hopefully that will help you guys determine what questions need to be answered before you involve myself and my team, and we can best help you and speed the sales process along. Thank you.